again. Welcome back, Subi Squad, to another Subi Shaves video with me on a beautiful day. Can I get a hashtag Team All Blade, hashtag No Blade Left Behind, guys? Squad goals. Our team is getting stacked, guys. Thank you so much for being here on the daily, and for clicking into my video today, and for joining me, guys. I hope you got a nice hot cup of decaf, 3 shots of espresso ready to roll. Man, I am stoked. I hope you got yourself a nice comfy chair. You're willed on in. Welcome to the den, guys. I am thrilled. Today is day 23 of the Lather games. We've been competing over on Reddit, guys, the Shave Olympics for the entirety of June. June is almost at its end. We're getting towards the end of the actual competition. We've not dropped a single point. I am absolutely thrilled. Today, guys, is a special day. Today is Leather Shave and Lefty Shave. You heard me right, guys. We can only use our non-dominant hand. Well, actually, it's left hand today because I'm a righty. If you're a left-hand person and today's left-hand day, congratulations. I think they actually made it so you have to switch to your right hand. I think they actually changed it so you have to switch to your right hand. I know a couple of years ago, they had lefty just got a free pass. Today, guys, I'm left-handed only. Can't use my right hand, and that's going to limit our choices. Today, because it's the leather scent, we're going to be rocking Holy Caw. This is Project Leather, guys. This is one of my favorite all-time leather scents. I do not own this scent, guys. Honestly, this is one I pick up very rarely, but every time I do, it's a very, very strong, great lather. Let me show you what we got going on here. We're using the Moonscape Scuttle, and we've got ourselves our Mountain Hare shaving brush, guys. That's from Jeremy. I won't lie to you guys, this is one of my favorite brushes of all time from him. I think it's absolutely beautiful, the green, the pink, and I've got a huge 30 SHD Maggots Badger knot in there, guys. It's a huge, massive knot. Like, look at this knot size, guys. Look how big the knot is. It's massive, guys. We're using our non-dominant hand to lather today. I made sure to use my non-dominant hand. It took me way too long, guys, to even lather my head. You guys can see here, I'm having a hard time even painting my head. It's going to be a challenge today. It's going to be a challenge for sure. Took me quite a while to lather. I won't even lie, guys, but we did the whole entire process lefty today. Left hand only. Today we're going to be rocking that on top with Spice by B&M, guys. That's our splash today's B&M Spice. I think it complements the leather. It's really just a very leather heavy, very, very front note leather, end note leather, chorus of leather. It's kind of like an old-timey leather too. It kind of smells like a worn-in belt to me. And we're going to go on top of that with Corinthian leather by A&E, guys. This smells luxurious. It's bougie. It smells exotic. It smells very expensive. It smells kind of like when you got into like a brand new, really high-end Italian car. Really nice leather smell. I quite like this. I think this is very, very nice, very ritzy, very posh. I've said it many times. A&E just kind of goes hand in hand with posh. Really nice. And then today, guys, razor-wise, let's talk. Let's have a little heart-to-heart here. What are we going to use to make it easy? What are we going to use to complement the lefty only? Today, right here, guys, lefty only, we're going to be rocking the One Blade Core Razor, guys, the Core Razor. Let me tell you something I could be using, because I haven't used it yet in the actual challenge. Keep on, we can only use unique razors. We could actually use this Gunmetal Genesis, but I'm going to use the Core Razor. And the reason why, guys, is the Core Razor is very light. I find it's very nimble and very easy to hold in the hand. I've got this gripper on there. It's a boba straw, guys, boba straw. This is like a silicone sleeve, essentially, that I've cut and trimmed to fit. And I'm telling you, it's very easy to hold in the hand. Very, very, very nimble razor. I like this a lot. And I think it has a place. Even if you're a Genesis owner, I think this has a place in your den. It's a $20 razor, guys. $20, you get the stand, the blades, and the razor. Like $20, guys, when they do their sell. Honestly, I don't know how you beat this. It's a pivoting, dynamic head. And today we're using a gem PTFE coated blade in there, guys. Unclipped, untrimmed. We're just using the Subi stack right on top there. Subi stack, and that's it. I'm telling you guys, I love this razor. It's dynamic, it's easy to use, and today we're gonna prove it by going lefty only, guys. You ready? Here we go. Let's showcase this razor left hand only, guys. I am going to be probably a little bit slower. My brain doesn't work this way. I can't quite use the mirror either, guys. The mirror for me is going to be kind of a hindrance today as I'm shaving, because as a right-handed person, guys. You know what I mean? It's going to be much, much easier for me to just do it by feel. I do shave on occasion with my left hand on, like, parts I can't reach. So I have done this similarly. But guys, last year when this challenge popped up on the Lather games, I just did my face. I've never shaved my whole head left hand dominant. Never, I don't think, once. This feels absolutely odd, but very smooth. I'm telling you guys, this I thought was interesting. So I think if you're a person that has ever hurt yourself, been injured, been a person that's hurt a shoulder, and you can't shave with your standard hand, guys, I think this is kind of an interesting take, right? Lefty only on the dome, guys. Lefty only on the dome. I would not do this with certain razors, right? I didn't want to go ahead and try this with a DE today. I didn't want to try this with more aggressive razor. I wanted to go pretty mild, yet pretty efficient. And I wanted something that was going to be very forgiving. Guys, we're doing this. Are you guys seeing this? We're doing it. Check this out, guys. We're rocking it down with the lefty, guys. Left hand only. We're doing it. We're going hard. What can I say here? We're doing it. Yeah, that's working really nice. We're on 22 hours of growth right now. We are not at 24 because yesterday I waited so long to shave so that we could be some of the last people into the actual competition for Wildcard Wednesday. So today we're actually able to shave a little bit sooner than we have been with a little bit less growth, which is kind of helping, honestly, here. It's kind of helping just a little bit. But you guys can see here, I'm just going to town. I am not having problems. I am able to push, right? So my left hand is not quite as dexterous, nor quite as skilled, right? And so I'm able to kind of let the razor just do the work for me, which is really nice. We're going to switch this around, do against the grain pass here. Do against the grain pass. This is so weird. So weird, guys. I really thought, like, you know, as a person that has been injured in the gym and has been injured doing stupid things like in extreme sports, right, as a kid, this is interesting because we don't always have the ability to use our right hands or our preferred hand, right? So this is kind of cool. I like the challenge a lot. Again, lather games, guys, forcing us to get out of our comfort zone and do things. I know a lot of people that are really angry about today's challenge, guys. A lot of people that are like, nope, I'm done. I'm not doing that. Left hand only, not happening. We're doing it, guys. We are filming it and we're doing it. We are not going to back down at this point, right? 23 days in, we are not backing down. There you guys go. Take a look at this. Against the grain pass with the one blade core. Again, like I said, guys, I really do mean this. This is a razor for me that stays in the den for a reason. Look at this. Look at the efficiency we're getting out of that razor. And that is lefty, guys. That is awkward hand. That is my right side of my brain is confused. Very, very comfortable, very close. I really do think this is a razor that has a place in most people's dens, if not everyone's den. It travels. It's a really, really smooth shave. I have broken one by dropping it, guys. It does glue together, it looks like, from the manufacturer, pressed together. And so when I dropped it, it snapped the head in half. I did a video on that razor, right? But I still bought another one. I really like them. I think they're a great shave. And you guys can see this even on days where I'm like kind of handicapped myself with my ability set, right? Because I'm using lefty here. We're still able to get a really good shave. Really good shave. Really awkward shave, to be really honest, guys. Really awkward shave. I'm trying to figure out how to do the cross the grain on that side of my head. And I cannot figure that out to save my life here. I'm like, sure. This is like, you know, when you first shave your head for the first time, this kind of gives you guys an idea of what it was like the first time I shaved my head. Like, how do you do that angle, right? I just go like this now. Like this, I guess I just have faith. Have faith and go into it, right? I guess that is the trick of the one blade here. There we go. Really nice. Very easy. Again, lefty, guys. Lefty. Listen, if I can do this with the left hand, you guys can do it with your dominant. I promise you that. A really good shave. Really nice shave. And again, that is Subi stack, guys. We're just taking those two blades and putting them together and getting our shave on, guys. We are almost there. We are super close. I know exactly how I'd shave my head if I was doing it with the right hand to finish my head. I am struggling with one part of the top of my head, guys. Just the top of my head. With this razor, just the very, very top, the crown of my head, you know what I mean? Where it circles. Right there, I'm having a hard time because I usually go the other way. Doing the cross the grain is just a little bit weird for me. A little bit weird, little strange, little odd. There we go, guys. That is it. We did it. That is, we got one spot, one little spot, guys, one little spot. Come with me. We gotta do the cleanup. We gotta do this cleanup, guys. We gotta go underneath the rainbow, get that pot of gold. We gotta do it. We're not giving in. We're not going to do this, you know, half butt here. We're gonna go in full bore. We're gonna do the cleanup. We're gonna do it all with the left hand, guys. Lefty, solid. Again, the one blade core, guys. I love it. I think it's phenomenal. I really enjoy this razor, and I think the coolest part about this razor is that even left hand, guys, which I am completely inept at, right? I am not skilled in my left hand whatsoever. We're doing cleanup passes and everything. How cool is this, guys? Telling you, love this razor, love it. And for the price, get out of here, 20 bones, 20 bones. Oh yeah, guys, that's it. We did it. Smacking! How many of you guys thought we were gonna cut ourselves? Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay, we may have got a little nick. We may have got one tiny one. I don't even know if it counts. I don't even know if it counts at this point, guys. Look at this. We killed that shave. Absolutely bonkers, that shave, guys. It is so close. It is so clean, and it is so crisp. Wow, guys, that is so freaking nice. I love it. I am a huge believer in the core. Huge believer. We're going with Alan, guys, right on top here. I'm just curious. I can definitely feel where my hand was shaking, guys, and I was doing a little bit of this and some weird zigzag emotions. Weird zigzag you should not do. But because I'm right-handed, guys, I was getting a weird stroke on this side, especially trying to do the against the grain. But overall, I am happy with that shave, guys. I thought it'd be way worse. I thought it was gonna be a bloodbath. I really thought we were going into this thing like it was gonna be war. You know what I mean? We're going with that spice on top. This is a little powderier of a tone, guys. I think spice pairs well with the leather notes, but it does have like a little bit of powdery tone to it. I'm not really sure why. It's not like a Bay Rum scent at all, or like Measure of Man. It's got a powdery tone, and we're going on top of that with Corinthian leather, guys. Corinthian leather by Annie. Oh, smoking. Guys, that is nice. Woo! Yeah, I'm into that, guys. I am definitely into that. Woo! What a shave. What a phenomenal experience with the one blade core, guys. We did it. Gem blade all the way. That's how we roll. And we got a phenomenal lefty shave. Listen, if I can do it left hand, guys, promise you guys can do it right handed. Awesome shave, guys. Absolutely phenomenal. I hope you have wonderful days. Good luck getting into your Thursday. I hope it's phenomenal, guys. Sunny and beautiful. I'll catch you guys in the next Subi Shaves video for episode 24. It's going to be wild, guys. We're getting up there. We're almost done. Whoa! I'll see you guys then. Subi out.